Hello YouTube, and welcome to a new episode of Teardown. We will open up this Range Rover Velar from LCD Models, and we're going to see if the inside is as good as the outside. And to start, we have to look underneath. You're gonna need a screwdriver because there are two screws, one on the front and there's one on the back, but you need to open up the rear diffuser. It's a separate piece, just gently pry it off. It's very delicate. And hidden is the second screw. And then you slowly separate the plastic base to the metal body. As you can glance how beautiful the outside, we will now figure out what the inside looks like. And it is damn impressive. So much details inside. I like the seats. There's the aircon vents. That is pretty darn impressive. I like the center console with the cup holders. Don't expect some leather stitches. It's all plastic. Even the door handles inside are detailed in silver. That is pretty darn impressive. I like the sticker on the screen. It says LCD models. Pretty sweet. You can slowly separate this interior. As you can see, there's a one piece holding the axles. There's the plastic base. This is a very unique way to hold both axles together. It is actually the disc brakes. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's the disc brake. It's a one piece. Rolls pretty well. And here is the wonderful metal body. Whoops, there's the windshield. It's one piece. I like it. Very clear. It even has the rear defogger, although it's not functional, but it's nice to see it there. And also the rear view mirrors. That is pretty detailed. Good job by LCD models. It's pretty impressive that they made such details inside and the outside. There's the side windows. I'm not gonna bother to pry it up, as well as the separate pieces, the taillights and the headlights, as well as the grille piece. Very nice. One more look of that gorgeous interior. That is so sweet, man. I like the rear wheel wells. The front. Pretty darn good. And there you have it, the complete teardown of the Range Rover Velar from LCD Models. Please check out my other teardown videos, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one.